Hey, what's up guys and welcome to Techrebun. I am Mohammed Bakir and today I've got something quite interesting in our mailbox from Haylou. Haylou has launched their new AirPods and have sent to us to review it. So the product is Haylou's Moripod. I'm quite excited to unbox it and test it myself and give my review to you and tell you is it really worth to buy or not. So let's get started. But first, are you new to our channel? So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and follow us on Instagram as well. So let's get to the unboxing. So here's the box on which the product is shown and with the company logo and name and Qualcomm aptX adaptive mentioned below. On the left side some features are mentioned such as Type-C, IPX4 water rating, etc. On the back we see product details and specs, and on the right company's QR code. Let's unbox it and check out what's inside. Let's slide it out. On the box we can see the logo and "Hey, listen up," which is quite catchy. As we open the box we get the AirPods on the top, which looks quite a masterpiece by Haylou. Let's find out more box content. Inside we find some paperwork by the company including the user manual and warranty and a Type-C cable to charge up the earphones. That's it with the box. Let's check the AirPods out. There are some instructions mentioned on the protective plastic. Let's remove it. Wow, the matte feel is quite good and the Haylou branding gives a premium feel to the product. On the back we can see some branding and product infos with the charging Type-C port. Let's check the earphones out. Wow, the design is quite familiar to the Apple AirPods but a bit edgy than them. The click is so satisfying. The straight bar design looks and feels quite good. Let's peel out the protective stickers and charge them up in the case and test them out. It shows warmish light while charging. If we talk about the design of the earphones, they are quite familiar to the Apple AirPods. The speaker mesh is really premium. The ear curve is smooth and there is a microphone on the bar with the Haylou branding and the touch sensitive area beneath it. On the bottom we find some charging pins and microphone as well. As mentioned by the company, they will provide immersive calling experience with noise reduction in it. The charging case is quite classy. Inside we can see the charging pins and some glossy finish inside and matte finish on the outer side of the case. The magnets are quite strong and grips the pods really quick. The matte finish feels quite good in the hand. The quality looks quite premium and clicking sound is quite satisfying. Check this out. If we talk about the in-ear grip of the earphones, the in-ear grip is quite comfortable and grips really nice on the ear. If you are just watching a movie and listening to some music or talking to someone on call, these earphones are the best choice for you. But if you are buying them to use on the jogging track or while running or doing your exercise, they are not just made for you. Because with the slight activity they can fall easily. But hey, they are water resistant, so if they fall in water, so they are still safe from the damage. But if they fall on the hard floor, they might get some damage to it. Let's pair them out and test out the sound quality. Touch sensitivity button is quite sensitive and responsive to the tap. Let's talk about the sound quality. As Haylou has mentioned, they are using the latest Qualcomm QCC3040 chipset, which provides hi-fi sound quality and ultra-low latency in gaming. They are using the 12mm large dynamic coil unit, which provides quite a good quality sound and music experience. As in my experience, I found them quite nice, not so loud, not so low. I could zone out myself while wearing them and enjoy whatever I was listening or watching. The bass quality is quite fine. One can certainly feel the bass, but not at a high level. The treble is good. You can clearly listen to the voice while talking to someone or listening to some dialogue. On call, the microphone works really well. As they use the CVC dual mic noise cancellation, it cancels out the background noise and gives a clear sound to the person listening to you. The battery backup is quite good. I have watched the whole season of Lupin in one day and I didn't find any need to charge them out as they worked all day perfectly fine. The AirPods work 5 to 6 hours easily and the case can charge it out 3 to 4 times. While charging the case, we can see some red light on the case which shows that it is charging out. Well, I find this product quite interesting and really like the experience which it is providing. The bass quality of the sound is quite good and the design provides a premium feel to the product. At a price of $35, which is around 5,500 Pakistani rupees, they provide great quality sound which is worth to the price. It's really a value for a money product. I hope you liked the video and found what you came for. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and we have listed all the social media links in our description. Do check them out. You can buy this product on the given links below. For the Pakistani viewers, we are giving away this product at a price of 5,000 rupees. You can check them out on our website and place your order now. See you all in the next video. Allah Hafiz.